Okay, hi guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. It's now December the 30th, and I'm just giving a bit of update. I am doing well, and I hope you are doing well also. The following videos will explain why I haven't been posting, so I won't say much here. It's just an update. I hope everybody enjoy their New Year's Eve and their New Year's Day. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for liking. Thank you for everything that you have done so far for 2020. I really appreciate it. I haven't stopped posting. You will see the videos why, so go ahead and watch those videos, and I will still continue to post for 2020, for 2021. So continue to watch my videos, like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I love you guys, and I appreciate everything. And I hope you guys enjoyed your Christmas and your Christmas Eve. I did. So I hope you guys did also. Keep safe, peace, love, and everything. Mwah. Artwork fly.